Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can enter the settings. Let's take a look at this option bar, and on the first position from the right, so in the right upper corner, we've got the settings, so let's enter. The second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. It will be immediately highlighted, so we can go back to the camera and then tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's enter the settings again. Of course, you can turn off the timer just by tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.